Okay, so this is an experiment to see about what it costs to eat in the United States versus what I do in Latin America. This is basically what I eat. I got some bananas for my sweet tooth in the morning. I have jalapeno peppers and two bell peppers, four purple potatoes are purple inside, two zucchinis. I got some garlic, and I got 3 onions. All of them are sweet onions. And down below, I have a pound of black beans, a pound of brown rice. I got 32 ounces of chicken broth, about salt added, about a pound and a half of chicken, and I have eggs. And I can tell you right off, a lot of stuff's a lot more expensive than it is down south. But let's see what's going to cost. I'm going to make black Cuban beans with rice and chicken. It should be quite a few servings, enough to last a week, I think. And there should be enough breakfasts in here for at least 6 meals, not including the indulgence of the bananas. So guess what it's going to cost, and I'll post it later.